Hello, my name's Ian Sparrow. I'm a senior manufacturing engineer and I work in our manufacturing support facility. So we're an in-house capability to be able to produce, repair and refurbish aircraft components to meet our customer deadlines. So manufacturing support here, we hold a wide range of capabilities. It's not so much about high rate production, it's more about holding a wide range of capabilities so we can react to our customer needs. As we survey different aircraft platforms, it's important that we can respond to the requirements at that time. A lot of those are emergent requirements, so we have to adapt quickly to whatever that requirement is. So we have a good balance of capabilities, everything from complex machining all the way through to fabrication. We also carry out minor assembly work and electrical work, as well as all our in-house special processes and painting. The advantage of having a facility like manufacturing support is predominantly all the in-house capability we hold under one roof. Essentially, we're a one-stop shop. So that enables us to respond quickly to our customer requirements and reduce lead time significantly. So the benefit for the end customer is the fact that we hold this in-house capability that can actually thoroughly reduce the risk and cost associated to producing components. Fabrication is actually producing a part from sheet metal. So essentially you're using traditional hand skills to hand form a piece of sheet metal into a complex component. We can do this by actually producing our own in-house tooling and utilising our rubber press that's behind me to actually produce those components. The big advantage of our fabrication process is the fact that when we carry out a survey on aircraft, we don't always know what that requirement will be. Once we actually get that requirement, we need to respond quickly. The way we do that is we can actually produce all our in-house tooling. So we get a pattern part of an aircraft, we can actually take a pressing of that and produce our own tool and press those parts quickly and efficiently. And that ties in with our heat treatment process. We can do it all under one roof, which reduces lead time significantly. In order to produce those components, we actually have to heat treat our material. So we're taking a flat piece of sheet aluminium and turning it into a complex shape. We're then reheating that sheet metal into its final temper condition, so it's actually fit for use on aircraft. Special processes is actually used from start to end, so everything from solutionising material to how to produce the part to actually then producing the part with all its protective coatings on it. All these protective coatings are legacy coatings for our Lockheed programs, as well as for our latest engineering solutions using the latest REACH compliant chemicals to provide a protective coating for that part to last its whole life within the aircraft. So the NDT capability is a very important capability. So we need to ensure that that product is fit for use and safe for flight. In order to do that, we need to ensure that we've carried out all the non-destructive testing of those parts to ensure there's no fatigue or failure points within that component. So we're confident that that part is certified for flight. This capability actually enables us to do a complete end-to-end process, everything from survey on aircraft, taking the raw material all the way through to the tooling process, the forming process, the heat treatment process and the final paint process. So it's a complete end-to-end process that we've got that capability for.